gluten-free and nut-free options. Nourish, Bangalore, India. Nourish is a vegetarian and vegan eatery located in Bangalore, India. The restaurant serves a variety of plant-based dishes, including Indian and international cuisine. Nourish uses locally sourced and organic ingredients and also offers a range of gluten-free and soy-free options. The rise of vegetarian and vegan restaurants and eateries reflects a growing trend towards plant-based diets and a desire for healthier and more sustainable food options. These restaurants offer a range of delicious and healthy plant-based dishes that cater to a variety of dietary needs and preferences. They also promote sustainable and ethical practices by using locally sourced and organic ingredients and reducing the environmental impact of food production. In addition to the restaurants mentioned above, there are many other vegetarian and vegan restaurants and eateries around the world that are worth exploring. Some cities, like Portland, Oregon, and Berlin, Germany, are known for their vibrant vegetarian and vegan food scenes. With so many options available, it has never been easier to eat plant-based and enjoy delicious food at the same time. Not only are these restaurants and eateries great for vegetarians and vegans, but they are also perfect for those who are looking to reduce their meat consumption or try something new. Many of these establishments offer creative and innovative dishes that are sure to please even the most carnivorous of diners. In conclusion, the rise of vegetarian and vegan restaurants and eateries is a positive development in the food industry that reflects a growing awareness of the environmental and ethical issues associated with animal agriculture. These establishments offer a range of delicious and healthy plant-based dishes that cater to a variety of dietary needs and preferences. Whether you are a vegetarian, a vegan, or simply looking to try something new, these restaurants and eateries are a great place to start. As more people adopt plant-based diets for health, ethical, or environmental reasons, demand is growing for dedicated vegetarian and vegan restaurants and eateries. What was once a niche market has now become part of the mainstream, with businesses catering specifically to vegetarian and vegan diners popping up across cities. Vegetarian restaurants. Vegetarian restaurants offer a wide variety of meat-free options while still using some animal products like dairy, eggs, and honey. Popular menu items include pasta dishes, pesto and marinara pastas filled with vegetables, tofu and portobello mushrooms. Curries and stews, vegetable-rich dal makhani, aloo gobi and butternut squash casserole. Stir-fries, noodles and fried rice with tofu, tempeh, bok choy and other Asian veggies. Salads, large mixed greens topped with beans, grains, nuts and vegetables. Sandwiches, grilled cheese, avocado toast and veggie burritos or quesadillas. Soups, lentil soups, minestrone and mushroom bisque. Many vegetarian restaurants also offer specialty sweet treats. Flourless chocolate cake, fruit crumbles, cheesecakes, ice cream sundaes. Vegan eateries. Strictly plant-based vegan restaurants avoid all animal products, including dairy, eggs and honey. Menu items typically include jackfruit pulled pork, jackfruit simmered in barbecue sauce and served on a bun. Vegan fried chicken, strips and tenders made from tofu, seitan or tempeh and coated in a crispy breading. Buffalo cauliflower, Roasted cauliflower bites tossed in vegan buffalo sauce.